Kia ora koutou, Shelley the LEARNZ field trip teacher here, and I'm going to be taking you on the Expedition Fiordland field trip, where you can journey with Maya the LEARNZ ambassador and me to Fiordland, which is in the southwest corner of Te Waiponamu, the South Island. Here you will explore Tamatea Dusky Sound, which is actually the longest sound in Fiordland, and not a place that many people get to experience. You can't drive there, so instead you'll jump on board a helicopter and fly from Te Anau to the boat in Tamatea, where you'll meet the crew from Pure Salt, who will be taking you on this multi-day voyage. And throughout the voyage you'll get to see some of the unique plants and animals that live both above and below the water in Tamatea. You'll also learn about the history of this ancient land and meet some of the people who are working to restore Tamatea and turn it into one of the most intact ecosystems in the world. And this won't just help Fiordland, it will help create a biobank, a source of endangered native species that can then be shifted to pest-free sites throughout Aotearoa, which will help boost the populations of these precious taonga species. It's going to be quite the adventure and a great opportunity to see how you might go about restoring an ecosystem near you. In the meantime, get prepared for the field trip by having a read of the background pages on the LEARNZ website, and we'll see you in Tamatea. Ka kite anō.